Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is the founder of Maratha Empire, is one of the most revered figures in Indian history. Yet his legacy is confined by two opposing and historical inaccurate narratives, one portraying him as the figurehead for the Hindu elite
He is a true Brahmin.
and the other one as the purely religious crusader against the Islamic rule.
He is leading the war against the Muslim invaders, like a proud Hindu.
Today we confront historical record. The reality is that Shivaji was pragmatic sovereign, whose success came from defying the elite, embracing inclusivity, and prioritizing political strategies over religious dogma. शिवाजी महाराजांच्या ते पराक्रम इतिहासात लिहिली गेले नाहीत. ते लोकांच्यात हृदयात कोरले गेले आहेत. The claim that Shivaji represented elite Hindu interests is fundamentally inaccurate. In fact, he faced fierce opposition from the very powerful he is now claimed to represent, the Hindu elite, especially the Brahmins of his time. The clearest evidence is his own coronation. When Shivaji sought to be crowned Chhatrapati, the local Brahmins refused, arguing that Shivaji was a Shudra and therefore ineligible to be king according to caste law. To gain legitimacy, he imported the famous priest Gagabhatta from Varanasi and paid a massive tribute. He had to literally buy a fabricated Kshatriya lineage to satisfy caste orthodoxy. While he accepted the title Go Brahmana Pratipalak, historians argue this was political necessity, not subservience. His land reforms even weakened the Deshmukhs and empowered peasants, challenging the elite order.
Now this land is protected.
The communal myth of anti-Muslims immunity collapses when confronted with Shivaji's practical strategies. His administration and army deeply integrated Muslims at every level. Estimates suggest his forces included tens of thousands of Muslim soldiers and skilled Pathan mercenaries. This was not symbolic, it was centered to his military strength. Many of his key commanders were Muslim. Darya Saram and Daulat Khan led the Maratha Navy. Siddhi Hilal commanded Kavali units. Madari Mehtar served as his trusted personal bodyguard, and Ibrahim Khan led the artillery at the pivot battle of Pratapgarh. Even during administration, Shivaji retrained Qazi to apply Islamic law for Muslim subjects. His actions show pure pragmatism. A leader focused on state survival and military efficiency, not religious exclusion, not exist in Shivaji's own time. Shivaji also enforced a strict moral code during military campaigns. Even hostile Mughal chroniclers like Kafi Khan, who called him a hell dog, admitted that Shivaji forbade harm to mosques, the Quran, or women. If a Quran came into his hands, he ensured it was respected and returned to a Muslim follower. Shivaji donated to mosques and dargahs and maintained a higher moral standard that helped him project his kingdom as legitimate, just, and worthy of loyalty from all subjects. The rivalry between Shivaji and Aurangzeb is often misrepresented as a Hindu-Muslim conflict. In reality, it was an imperial struggle for power. Aurangzeb spent decades destroying the Muslim sultanates of Bijapur and Golconda. If he was fighting for Islam, he would have allied with them, not conquered them. Shivaji himself allied with Muslim rulers whenever it benefited his political aims. And when Aurangzeb sent his most powerful army against Shivaji, he did not send a Muslim general. He sent the Hindu Rajput commander Mirza Raja Jai Singh. This was not a religious war. It was a contest between imperial ambition and regional sovereignty. So how did this pragmatic, inclusive king later become an exclusionary icon? The transformation occurred centuries after his death. In 1896, nationalist leader Bal Gangadhar Tilak reinterpreted Shivaji's image by creating the public Shivaji festival. Tilak used Shivaji's anti-Mughal resistance as a rallying symbol for anti-British nationalism. Modern nation-state ideology replaced the 17th century idea of a regional king, injecting a Hindu meaning that did not exist in Shivaji's own time. आणि माणूस शिवाजी महाराजांचे खरी ओळख म्हणजे दर्या, न्याय आणि सर्वांना आपले म्हणणारा राजा. A true legacy of Chhatrapati Shivaji is not that of zealot or an elite protector, but politically shrewd, regionally focused sovereign who transcended caste barrier, integrated diverse community, mastered alliances, and built his kingdom on military effectiveness and a pragmatic code of justice. It is a legacy far more powerful and far more inclusive than the myth constructed centuries later. This is your host signing off only on Hoot Republic.